name is Brendan Shank with Creative Bus Sales, and today we're going to be showcasing the Lone Star ProMaster 1500, a low-floor, full-size ADA van by Forest River. This vehicle's powerful V6 engine provides nearly twice the fuel economy of typical V8 or V10 engines found in your traditional shuttle. As a result of the smaller engine, operating costs of the ProMaster are much lower, while also granting the vehicle a high-quality, comfortable, and quiet ride for passengers. The ProMaster has a 5-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which is the longest available in its vehicle class. The ProMaster also offers an optional 7-year or 150,000-mile warranty through Chrysler. The lowered floor system eliminates steps into the vehicle, making boarding and deboarding safe and easy for ambulatory passengers. The low floor also keeps the manual ramp at a low angle to allow for easy boarding and deboarding of passengers using mobility devices. The ProMaster 1500 is a low-roof vehicle with dual sliding van doors so that your passengers can enter and exit safely from both sides of the vehicle. The ProMaster 1500 is the only low-floor front-wheel drive, full-size ADA van available in the market today. The front-wheel drive powertrain in the ProMaster allows for a completely modified lowered floor system without modifying the OEM suspension system. This vehicle's floor plan arrangements are very versatile, with options including different styles of ramps, CNG tank space, many seating layout options allowing up to 8 seats and up to 2 wheelchair positions. This vehicle can be customized to meet your needs. This vehicle has a very tight turning radius, making it perfect for maneuvering through residential streets and parking lots. For added safety while driving this vehicle, it comes standard with a rear-view camera and remote heated folding exterior mirrors. This concludes our vehicle showcase. If you have additional questions or are ready to purchase, please give us a call at 888-633-8380 or visit us at www.creativebussales.com. This is Brendan Shank. Thanks for watching.